Imagine a world where database management is seamless and autonomous. SQL AI agents are revolutionizing this space by automating complex interactions, optimizing queries, and monitoring database health without human intervention. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Curious about how AWS can simplify this process? Stay tuned as we explore the integration of AI agents with AWS infrastructure, making database management more efficient and secure. Begin by defining your SQL AI agent's objectives. Whether it's query optimization or health monitoring, clarity is key. Next, set up a robust database using Amazon RDS or Aurora for seamless performance and reliability. AWS's managed databases simplify administration and enhance security, ensuring your data is protected and your operations run smoothly. Let's delve into how these tools lay the groundwork for your AI agent. Leverage Amazon Bedrock or SageMaker to build and train your AI model. These platforms enable natural language processing, transforming user inputs into optimized SQL queries with ease. Utilize Amazon Comprehend or Lex for natural language understanding. These tools empower your AI agent to interpret user queries accurately, enhancing the overall user experience. Secure your AI agent with AWS IAM and Secrets Manager, protecting credentials and ensuring fine-grained access control. Monitor performance using Amazon CloudWatch for real-time insights. Deploy your agent with AWS CloudFormation or Elastic Beanstalk for scalability. By doing so, you'll ensure your AI agent is not only secure but also capable of handling increased demand efficiently.